Well, the weather's gotten nicer now, and Luke's breaking out the scooter. So we figured we'd make another video of him riding it around a little bit, since the only other video we made so far is him just riding off on it. All right, take it away, Luke.
All right.
We've had some trouble. The cargo rack broke already. So the guy at the scooter store sent us another one, and just, you know, installed that, and had problems with some of these screws coming out, so you definitely probably want to Loctite these and check them.
I got into my first crash.
Oh yeah, he fell off. Didn't really hurt the bike.
Yeah, because over here, pretend I'm riding. Right
You got too close to the edge of the road?
Here, it's a whole bunch of rocks and stuff and everything, and I went off over into the rocks a little bit. Then my scooter went out of control, and I fell like this. And landed on my knee. I think there's still a scar or a bruise there. See?
Oh, you got a little tiny boo-boo.
Yeah, a little boo-boo.
All right.
But yeah.
All right, so ride it around a little bit.
All right.
Go get him, Dallas! Get him! Go get him, Dallas! He's gonna run with you. Yeah. Ah! Keep up. You got tired out. You tired him out, and he's got to take a break. Look, now he's coming. Whatever it was, that he wanted to sniff it and then check it out. That was funny. He ripped off after you. Yeah. If you put it in economy mode, he might be able to keep up with you.
Okay, I'll put it on economy. That was on economy. Come on, Dale.
Go get him.
Come on, Dale.
Go get him, Dallas. At least Dallas is getting a good running. Dallas is getting some good exercise. Oh, daddy boy. He loves running with you and chasing you. I knew he was going to chase you. That's why I brought him. That was economy mode?
No, I took it off.
Oh, yeah.
Because when I was on economy mode, he was running right next to me.
Get him! Is he tired? He's tired. He's all tired out. He's a tired boy. Oh, Dallas. Oh, why the long face, Dallas? Ah. Nice boy. Where's Luke at? Where'd Luke go? Go get him! He's tired. You tired him out. You're tired, Dallas? You hear all those dogs carrying on, Dal? Did you jump it? Jump it off the curb?
Huh?
Did you jump it off the curb?
Yeah. I jumped off the curb.
Have you done that before?
Once over there.
I'm wondering if that's what broke the cargo rack.
No, the only time I did it was yesterday.
Yeah, be careful with that, especially if you got crap in there with that last one breaking like that.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be able to put your foot on that thing back there.
Yeah, this.
The thing that thing's mounted on, if that thing's not there, you're supposed to be able to put your foot on there. He's tired. He's tired. I'm gonna kill it now. But yeah, checking it out. Yeah, he's riding it. It works. Yeah, we had to iron out a few little issues, but overall it's a good little scooter.